Introducing M-kite Aluminum Premium Modular Kitchen Cabinets. Revolutionizing kitchens with aluminum innovation with over 25 years of legacy in the plywood industry. We've seen it all. And we understand the real problems homeowners face with traditional wooden kitchens. Here are some common problems with traditional wooden kitchens. Wooden materials typically weaken and deteriorate within just 5 to 7 years. Moisture accumulation leads to warping, unpleasant odors, and increases the risk of termite infestations. Cockroaches often nest in hidden areas, and internal hardware damage goes undetected until serious problems arise. Don't worry, the game changer is here. M-kite Aluminum Premium Modular Kitchen Cabinets. After 15 years of dedicated research, we developed a smarter, stronger solution to eliminate all the traditional drawbacks. Why choose M-kite kitchens? For unmatched strength and lifetime durability. Built with 14-gauge aluminum poles and 16-gauge box sections, powder-coated finish ensures rust-free, wear-resistant durability. Designed to last a lifetime, far outlasting wood or steel kitchens. For zero maintenance and lifetime guarantee, no repairs, no replacements, and lifetime guarantee on the base structure. For innovative design and seamless integration, aluminum base frame with specially designed storage baskets, reinforced soft close channels for effortless operation, modular interlocking system that fits any kitchen layout, sleek customizable aesthetics for every home. M-kite is built with the environment in mind. 100% waterproof and weatherproof, heat retardant for added safety, termite-proof, rust-free for long-term hygiene, completely non-toxic and fully recyclable. Each M-kite kitchen is crafted under expert supervision. From cutting to welding to finishing, we ensure a flawless structure that combines exceptional functionality with modern aesthetics. We provide industry-leading guarantees. Lifetime guarantee on the base structure. 10-year guarantee on baskets and channels. 7-year guarantee on shutters, which are crafted from high-density HDMR boards. Our shutters are laminated with premium acrylic sheets for a glossy, modern look and sealed with edge banding tape using precision German machines. This ensures superior moisture resistance, long-lasting color retention, and a flawless, chip-free finish that stays beautiful for years. Redefine your cooking space with M-kite. Whether you prefer a clean, minimalist vibe or a bold, luxurious look, M-kite adapts to your lifestyle with elegance and functionality. M-kite isn't just a kitchen, it's a future-proof investment in quality, comfort, and design. All manufacturing done under one roof. Free 3D kitchen design included. Ready to upgrade? Don't settle for outdated wooden cabinets. Call us at 95151333774 and transform your kitchen today with M-kite, where strength meets style.